He was the first one.
The wacky rig. Was that one deep?
He was right, probably about 8 feet away from us. It wasn't that shallow. See that, Chris? That nice soft hook set? Not real soft, but not to the point where it shoots all the way back. There he is, guys. Oh, really? Thought you wanted to go back in the water. Oh, came out of his mouth. Oh. So he hit this one on top water too. He missed it the first time. Press it for me. Press it. Oh, I got it. There's another one.
There's number 2 for Brandon.
Right on the drop. Is it recording? Alright. I just want to make sure because I couldn't get it. Alright, there he is. A bit bigger. I didn't want to lose him. Oh, he's nice. Swing him in. There he goes.
Oh, you got a good hook set on him anyway, right on the top of it.
Yep. Number 3 for me. A decent one, about a pound. You think? He's pretty thick. Close enough. My reel doesn't sound too good, does it? That sounded a little weird. There you go. Oh, it's a nice one.
It's a pike!
No way. No, it's not.
Oh.
Here.
Oh, it is. Power chatter, baby.
You got him. Right up in that bush.
Ooh, look at that. Beautiful. Hold on. I'm in my favorite spot right here.
Is it recording?
We're about to double up.
It's a nice fish.
Oh,
How'd that slime taste? Oh. I can't get you in there. What are you gonna swing him in? Or?
Good him, please. Oh, he's dark. That shit. He's smart.
Oh, he's.
Yeah.
I didn't even lip him.
Dude, he ran in there. Oh, dude, I had him.
Oh, that's even bigger. They're getting bigger and bigger each cast, huh?
Dude, I was afraid he was gonna break it. Yeah, he's in there.
Oh, there he is.
Did you really? That's a good one. Oh, yeah, he's good. He's better.
I got him.
There you go.
Oh, hell no, bitch. Oh, he's long.
Good one. Good job, Brad. Catch it right back out.
There he is. Got him again in the second cast. Okay, I just want to make sure. Alright, I'm back over there. What the fuck? Oh! That's what you get for them hook sets. You know how many times I cast it in there?
He's better.
And then he's probably gonna come off because you suck. I don't even know where he's at. Just swing him in!
Yeah.
He was never coming back,
Doubles.
Oh!
We'll take him.
It's a fish. Oh no, he looks smaller than that.
Who do you think's bigger?
Mine's more aggressive. There he is. Double up. Chris? Is it recording? Let's put him in his mouth. Wait. Let's put him in the water together like that.
No.
No, come on. We'll get this on camera like death. That's on film. Come on.
Oh, wait, let me see what I do. Slow-mo.
Wait.
Don't release it.
Oh!
Fucking fish, pussy.
Stop. I'm gonna throw you off the boat.
It's mine, bro.
No, it's not. You guys out there fishing fish on film. Shit, I can't even.